Remember when studying meant hours at a desk, drowning in textbooks, and hoping something would stick? Yeah, welcome to 2025. Now we've got neuroscience-backed hacks, AI tutors, bite-sized learning, and apps that actually help you focus. Today's students don't just study harder, they study smarter. And that shift is powered by something called Nano-Learning and a tech toolbox your parents never dreamed of. The channel just hit 100 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you, to everyone who's been watching, liking, and coming back for more. Thank you from the bottom of my old soul. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're into weekly self-improvement videos that are deep, practical, and a little different from the usual hustle talk, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Let's dive into the modern world of studying. Nano-learning is exactly what it sounds like. Small, focused learning units, usually under 10 minutes, designed to deliver one clear concept: why it works. Our attention spans are shrinking. We retain more when info is presented in short bursts. It fits into your lifestyle, between classes, on the train, or during a quick break. Think TikTok, but for your brain. Examples: watching a 3-minute breakdown of mitochondria on YouTube, using Duolingo for 5 minutes daily, learning coding through mini-challenges on platforms like Mimo. Psychology behind it: spaced repetition and micro-learning increase long-term retention, triggers the brain's reward system with small wins. All right, so how do you actually implement nano-learning? Let's build your ultimate tech toolbox. 1. Learning apps. Anki uses spaced repetition flashcards. Notion, Second Brain for notes, tasks, and databases. Khan Academy, Coursera, Udemy, bite-sized video modules. Tandem, HelloTalk, real-time language exchange. 2. Focus and time management. Forest app, grow a tree as you focus. Pomo Focus, built on Pomodoro technique, 25-5 cycles. Motion or Sunsama AI daily planners. Google Calendar plus time blocking. Simple but powerful. 3. AI study buddies. ChatGPT. Ask for summaries. Quiz yourself. Rewrite notes. Quizlet AI. Auto-generates flashcards from your materials. Perplexity. Claude or Elicit. Research without the rabbit hole. Otter.ai. Transcribes lectures instantly. 4. Organizers and note-takers. Notion templates. GPA tracker, exam calendar, syllabus planner. Obsidian, markdown notes with mind map style linking. GoodNotes or OneNote for handwriting lovers. Readwise plus Kindle. Sync and review highlights effortlessly. Tech helps, but only if you know how your brain actually learns. Let's nerd out briefly. Cognitive science principles. Spaced repetition. Review material at increasing intervals. Interleaved practice. Mix subjects instead of cramming. Active recall. Testing yourself beats rereading. Dual coding. Combine visuals plus words for maximum memory. Desirable difficulty. Struggle. Statt. Better learning. Let's put it all together into real, repeatable study routines. System 1. The 2-hour power block for deep work. 25-minute study, 5 minutes break, times 4. App, Pomo Focus plus Notion notes. Bonus, end with a ChatGPT quiz session. System 2, the commute stack for passive learning. 15-minute podcast, language, history, science. App, Audible, Curio, or YouTube playlists. Bonus, use Otter.ai to transcribe if needed. System 3, the daily review for memory. Review Anki flashcards, 10 minutes. Reflect in Notion Journal, 5 minutes. ChatGPT. Quiz me on today's class. Before you go downloading every app in existence, slow down. Here are 3 mistakes to avoid. App overload. Don't collect tools like Pokemon. Stick to 3 to 4 essentials. Passive consumption. Watching not equal learning. Always follow up with recall. Perfection, paralysis. You don't need a perfect system, you just need a start. Studying in the modern world isn't about grinding 10 hours a day. It's about smart systems. Tech that supports you, not distracts you, and most importantly, knowing how you learn best. Whether you're a student, a lifelong learner, or someone trying to beat procrastination, Nano-Learning and Smart Tech can be your game changer. So try one new tool this week, experiment, tweak, evolve. Because learning isn't just about information, it's about transformation. What tech tool or study method has actually made a difference in your learning? Drop it in the comments. Someone else might really need it. If this video helped you out, give it a like. It helps more than you know. And if you're not subscribed yet, now's a great time. New videos every week to help you grow smarter, deeper, and stronger. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.